Alright, shut the fuck up. What's up, guys? It's Yellow Jacket 57 here. I just got done installing my taillight tint on my Charger. I'm pretty sure whoever has bought anything from Luxe Auto Concepts, you already know what it looks like before. It's too cold to be sitting out here to be trying to make an entire video. But this install literally took me about 5 minutes, and it's literally pretty much just a peel and stick thing. So you can peel it off as many times as you want without it like messing up or anything. So it took me about 5 minutes to do both sides. Wasn't too long. It comes with all the stuff up here. It comes with the driver's side fender, passenger side fender, and it even gives you a like a practice one to do with, so you don't fuck up your only ones you got. Comes with a little squeegee and a little ball of alcohol, pretty much, and this little nice microfiber towel. And I believe that is it. They also came with a little packet with other products and services that they do. Check that out. So I was only able to get this through with I think it was like a 10% discount due to the fact that I follow Yellow7. HEYYELLOWFELLOw on YouTube. He fucking has a 10% discount on his Instagram page. It's YEYYELLOWFELLOw. So shout out to him. He did a fucking cool thing for having that out there for people to use. But other than that, I don't think you guys have seen like a full walk around of my car yet. So I'll take you guys around and let you see what's up with it. Don't mind the dirtiness. It's just like I said, it's too cold to be out here fucking around with shit. So you know, this is actually not like bolted in. This is a stow and go. I lost the fucking bolt to it. I was too fast. But comment below. Let me know what you guys think about my car and shit. I don't care. But other than that, I'll catch you guys later. I'll see you in the next video.